Oh God, this is gonna be tricky. Here we go.
Ready?
I mean, so many things are wrong with me right
No,
now.
I was just fixing, yeah, we're ready. And action.
I showed up in like work clothes.
And I'm just straight lounging.
And she's straight chilling. Did not get that memo.
I didn't
Is that a Red
think it
Bull?
was necessary. Yeah, I'm trying to
Wait,
catch
try this coffee. This is from my Nespresso machine.
Oat milk?
Yeah.
Oat milk.
Okay, I sit up straight. I had on like a trench coat, but I thought it was too like, you know, too much for this.
British.
Yes, and we've been talking about this the entire makeup guru.
Oh, we did this last time we did a video.
I would love to just order what the person in front of me ordered. That's great, I'm gonna do that.
You can hold it with someone? Because
I'm an
I would
actress. I don't break character.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a makeup tutorial, real girl everyday style.
Yeah, baby.
What's the first thing you put on?
Mine's
sunscreen.
I put on moisturizer. My hand's clean. Shiitake.
Should you go wash your hands?
Yeah, because I just rubbed Chloe
wash
really
your
quick.
hands.
1 second. Hold on. So you put on sunscreen
I put on
first.
sunscreen. I love the Lancer sunblock. That's my
don't
favorite.
put on sunscreen, but you should. Everyone do what she does. I always put moisturizer on my face, and
Moisturizer's good too.
Yeah, I've been using the Tatcha. Just got it last night.
Is it in the little green tub?
No, it's the purple one. It's like the super moisturizing one because I have very dry skin. But I always put that on because you just want to have a nice glowy glow.
A good base.
I put this on first. I just actually switched to this one.
Born This Way.
Born This Way by Too Faced.
Wait, do you use primer at all or no?
No, my primer is like my moisturizer.
Really? That's
Yeah.
interesting.
I know.
I don't always go to primer.
I mean, should I try your primer? Does it make me break out?
I don't think so.
This is the most real getting ready
This is
thing
my
ever.
favorite. This is the Peter Thomas Roth. Alicia got me on this one a while ago. So this one's weird. It's kind of silicone-y.
Like boobies?
Yeah, like the...
Oh, yeah. Oh.
So then just like rub it on your fingers.
This is a very odd, oh my God. Okay.
And then just like smear it on the face. Smooth surface. What pores?
What pores? Yeah, wait, if this gets rid of pores,
Fill in the gaps.
fill in the gaps. These massive gaps on my face. I always use my fingers like to put on foundation and stuff because you use less product. And then I use the beauty blender to blend it
It's so funny, so many beauty gurus go off on people that use their fingers, but like Candy Johnson uses her fingers.
Yeah.
And she says she's always done it. She always washes her hands before, and like it's her favorite way to apply product. I remember like when she first came out, people gave her a lot of crap for
Okay,
doing
wait,
that.
your skin does look like less pory.
Right? Because
Yeah.
it's the
Does
primer.
mine?
Yeah.
Just tell me it does.
No, it does.
Yeah, I mean, I have like some blemishes going on, but this is gonna cover that right up.
I feel like your skin's really clear right now.
Thanks, Mom. I've been getting microneedle from Seal.
I've never done that before.
I'll let you know if it works. So I mixed the Too Faced Born This Way because it's a little bit darker. Because I'm always doing self-tanner. Right now I don't have any self-tanner on my face and I should. Just like 2 dollops of
I like
Daisy.
It Cosmetics a lot.
It Cosmetics foundation is like super full coverage, but it doesn't feel cakey,
Yeah.
which is key.
And it's a CC cream, right? Technically, so it has like vitamins in it for your skin. I'm going with Fenty Beauty.
She got that fancy beauty
This is the
glow.
shade, this is the Pro Filter 180.
You want darker shade?
That's just what I've been liking, yeah.
But it doesn't matter because I'm gonna blend it all.
Right.
You guys will see. It's like I take my makeup off at night and I'm like, oh my God, I'm a ghost.
I'm a ghost.
During the day I look tan, but I'm not actually. This is actually kind of difficult
beauty.
to do.
My Pigneer,
Hold
Shane
it up.
Dawson.
Okay,
good.
perfect, thank you, Mommy.
Uh-huh.
Sharing is caring. I'm gonna add more because I need to.
Have you ever used a beauty blender before?
Yeah, it's right there. Well, I just do the fingers to get more like coverage where I want it.
Do you go over it again with a beauty blender? Or no?
Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah.
I need more too. It's always better to go a little light and then just add more if you need more. The worst is when you put on way too much foundation and then there's just too much and,
then
there's
you're
nowhere
like,
else to put it.
Exactly.
And then you're going down your neck and that's just weird.
But you do want to go down your neck though to blend.
Yeah, but not that much.
Well, because yours matches your skin more. I get like a darker shade.
I'm like a solid.
So I gotta like.
I'm a very like solid pale.
I gotta
just
blend
like
this
straight
shit out. Yeah.
Top to bottom.
I'm like, I'm tan. I've been on the beach for days. The next one I do, oh yes, and then I got Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer.
Sculpting concealer.
And I use it under my eyes, like so.
I have Tarte Shape and Tape. It's the only concealer I've been using
Wait, I
for
wanna
years.
try that too.
You haven't tried it yet?
No, I think I've tried yours.
I've been using the same concealer for years now.
This is when I blend.
Got it, okay.
So
it's
I go.
a blending party.
It's a blending party, darling.
Darling. Honestly, I kind of stopped using concealer for a while just because I feel like sometimes it brings out my smile lines, you know? Like,
Oh, well you have to, so do you like
set it?
set it?
Yes. I think I smile too much with my eyes.
That's a good thing.
Yes, but
She's like, That's a good thing. I mean, I get Botox, you know that, but.
I love my smile lines, but I think the concealer like makes it pop more than when I don't use concealer. Chloe's just like sitting by the door. Look how cute she is.
Chloe, you're being such a good girl. You're being such a good girl. I usually get ready in like not full-blown natural light, so then like when you can see everything, you're kind of like, oh, huh, love
I don't normally get ready in the living room, but I was like, this is probably
the lighting is
best
so
for
good.
lighting.
It is.
I used to never wear blush. That's a fun fact for you guys. I recently, finally got the Cloud Paint by Glossier. I'm obsessed with it. It's my favorite blush. And you just, like,
I'm intrigued.
dot it on and then it's like finger painting. So I wear blush now. It's a big deal.
Who doesn't love a good finger painting session? I want to watch how you do this.
You just blend it with my finger.
Do you set it with powder after?
Yeah.
This is literally a sample of Laura Mercier setting powder.
That's a big sample.
That's what I thought, but you know, Sephora hooks it up and get those points, baby.
Oh, like at the counter sample?
Yeah.
Is that what you mean? Yeah.
And then I honestly just put this all over my face. I have very like dry skin, but it gets oily.
You combo girl?
I got combo, baby.
So like growing up, and I feel like this is like a normal pattern, I had oily skin, and then the older I got, it became combination skin, and now I would say I have more dry skin. But I definitely used to have very oily skin, like it was without a doubt.
Oily.
So I don't know
Words
what.
are hard. So I always do my foundation first and then I do eyeshadows. Most people probably do it the other way around.
I feel like all the beauty gurus do it the other way.
The booty gurus.
The booty gurus.
The booty gurus.
Then I go in with my beauty blender, buff it out.
Now we have Morphe Mani Moi Glam Palette. I like to do like bronzy, brown, pinky tones on my face. So
You too.
That's what we're gonna do. And then lately, I have been doing really light colors on this part of my eyes. I'm loving it. On this part.
Oh, yeah.
I'm loving it.
So you do eyeshadow next.
Yeah.
I usually do brows next.
Oh.
Plot twist.
Plot twist. You
thought we
guys,
were the
there's
same.
no right or wrong answer. You can do whatever you like. You can do whatever you like. Stacks on deck, Patron on ice. And we can pop bottles all night and baby, you can have whatever you like. Okay.
I'm out of my normal eyebrow pencil, so I'm kind of just going with the wind.
These jeans are
trying new things.
My jeans are so tight. She's like, just unbutton them. She's like, they can't see on the camera. Y'all can definitely see if I unbutton my pants right now, but like.
So she's really having a hard time breathing.
I'm having a hard time breathing.
I love high-waisted jeans, but that's such a thing. Like if you sit down too low,
yeah, and
you
they're
can't
tight.
breathe. Oftentimes in cars, and oftentimes at restaurants where the seats are like.
Yes, man, not great.
On a date, all you want to do is unbutton your pants, but that's weird, so.
Right. That's why you wear oversized t-shirts on dates, so you can unbutton your pants.
And then you end up not eating that much, and he's like, oh, she's one of those girls, and you're like, no, I'm not, I just can't breathe.
I just literally can't breathe.
This is actually working pretty good. This is the Hourglass, what is this? Hourglass Arch Brow in Blonde. Don't mind it.
Pretty.
I like it a lot.
Okay, and I always put eyeshadow under my eyes like this, just to like.
Me too.
Because why not? You know, just blend it out.
Do you use an eyeshadow primer?
No.
Man, I must be a primer girl.
I probably should, you guys.
This is the Nars Smudge Proof eyeshadow base. I like it a lot.
Ooh, see, I should have used all your stuff today just to like see.
That would be fun. Maybe one day you could do your makeup on me and I'll do my makeup on you.
Ooh, yeah, we'll trade places.
I'm gonna be honest, I don't really change up my eyeshadow. I feel like it's almost always the same. It's just like a little lighter during the day or a lot darker at night.
These look so good on you though, these colors.
Urban Decay Naked 2 Basics palette, and I have this mini one that I've been using for a long time. Like this is probably my third mini one. I just like how small it is because I can throw it in any bag. I'm like out of a lot of colors, but it's my favorite.
Like, show me.
It's my absolute favorite. I use it all the
and
time.
the taupe colors look really good with your skin tone and your eye color.
I don't know why, yeah.
But on me it looks stupid.
I don't think it looks stupid.
Actually, I've never tried it, but I feel like it would look stupid.
I disagree, but we should try it sometime. I'd go in between Cover and Primal. Primal?
What was that?
That's Primal.
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 Hey, she's dyslexic, so. Just kidding, but I am actually dyslexic.
I usually just put it in the crease. You put everything in the crease or you put it all over the lid?
So that's what I was
crease.
saying. I do crease, but I was not putting it
in the corner.
I was not putting it there, yeah. But I did recently get the Hoola Benefit, this one.
Ooh, I love that one.
Yes, me too.
Hoola bronzer. It's a bronzer, right?
Yeah, I think so. Gotta work my posture. I think I've been slouching this entire video. That's where we're at.
It's okay, it just makes me look tall.
Perfect.
I like that.
That color's so pretty. And then I just do my contour, find your cheekbone and go right below below it. So take it from your ear, like the middle of your ear, I guess, and then you wanna go like this. I kind of dab like that.
Technique. I'm really bad at
You don't wanna move your makeup around. I can contour for you if you want me to, Mom. I feel like I'm like trying not to hide my face. I'm like, guys, you can't see.
We're just
sorry.
And anyway, the next step, like the thing that I've learned that I feel like most people talk about, but I just like this last year really realized is like just the blending.
Yeah, make sure you're blending.
It doesn't matter what you put on your face, blend it.
Blend
like
it out.
That's what it is.
Blend.
Back and forth, back and forth. Blend,
Blend, blend. And I like to put my bronzer all over my face to make myself look extra tan.
Fake and bake.
Fake and bake is what they say. Shake and bake.
Shake
Ricky
and bake.
Bobby. I don't know.
No one knows.
I do my makeup first and then I do my hair. Right now my hair is all gross, but I brought all my dry shampoo, which we love, and texture spray.
That's all you need, and then your hair's done. You don't even have to use
I'm not
a
even
heat
gonna
tool.
like, exactly. You just mess it up.
You just mess it up.
Just get it
all the
popping.
texture.
All the text and
Looks
sex.
great. This is a Morphe brush. I don't know necessarily like what type of brush you would call this, but I use it
It's like for more like
underneath my
pigmented.
eyes.
Oh, yeah.
And I just kind of go sweep it underneath my eyes, and I feel like it just kind of like makes it look complete. I don't know why. If I don't do it, I feel like I look kind of like naked.
Okay, I like to contour my nose, so I take the same bronzer I use for my cheeks and I just go like this down my nose on this side. I use my eyeshadow brush, but make sure you get the excess color and stuff from your eyeshadow off. You don't want to put your eyeshadow on your nose. We don't want that. Again, blend, blend, blend.
Together.
All together now.
Blend, blend, blend. Sometimes I just take random brushes and just kind of like buff it out, and I feel like that works a lot.
You can use eyeshadow too that's like sparkly for your highlight if you want, but I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna use Apollo. And you wanna go on the top of your cheekbone, like so.
I never use highlight.
And then this on your nose. It's a good time, you know, why not?
Highlight me.
Oh, okay, perfect. Oh, it's so fun putting your makeup on other people because you can like actually see it. Okay. Pretty. Do you see? It's very subtle. You don't want to overdo the highlight. You don't want to look like a freaking plastic Barbie doll.
Have you seen them?
I've seen them.
Yeah,
Have
the
you
people
seen
that
them?
the girls that walk around with just like highlighter. Not me. I never usually do
Okay.
eyeliner, but I'm just gonna kind of go for it.
I use Nars Outlaw. That is what I use for my cheeks. Again, I don't know if this is the order like you're supposed to do this in. Do you think you're supposed to do blush first and then No, I feel like contour and then blush, right?
I feel like I'm ruining this with my eyeliner.
Guys, the thing is like, there's no rules.
Have you ever tried following an actual like guru's makeup tutorial?
No.
We should do that sometime.
And then I just kind of like put it up here, and put it down here.
Just kind of smear it all over the place. I'm having trouble with my eyeliner.
That looks good.
You back up and you're just like, oh.
Yeah, if you back up,
great.
but if you get here and you're like,
Ooh.
also got this really cute
Whoa.
eyelash
dazzle.
curler. I always like move it and go up like this.
Do you use like a crayon eyeliner or do you use liquid?
I use liquid and it's from Sephora and it's the best.
I feel like I've never been able to master the liquid eyeliner.
It has like a felt pen and it's great.
Huh.
So there's one eye done.
I feel like I didn't do great with my eyeliner, so I'm gonna smudge it out with this. Smudge.
I'm gonna do liquid on the bottom today because I'm actually shooting a Valentine's thing after this, and so I'm gonna put on extra, but if I was just doing my day makeup, I would do my eyebrows after this, put on lipstick and mascara and call it a day.
Yeah, I feel like normally I wouldn't do eyeliner, but eyeliner on bottom means I'm doing something.
We're doing
That's
something.
like, I feel like that's like a sign of like I've got something going on.
Yeah.
Because I have eyeliner underneath. Or if I have eyeliner and mascara down
you know
here.
it's on. Game on.
Game on.
Watch out, man.
I'm trying to be pretty.
She's about to stun on you. I used to use Tarte to put on your mascara, like the base for, what is it called? Primer for your mascara, but then I just found L'Oreal's. It's way cheaper and it works just as good. And it's $5.
I used to, so I've never used stuff like that, except there was one time, it might have been Revlon actually, they had the two-ended one. That was the first and last time I ever did that, but it was like, do you remember, it was one of those like, you could wash your mascara off and it would like come off in like tubes.
Oh,
Remember that? Like
yeah,
it like
that was
actually
weird.
like
That was
slid
weird.
off your lashes. And I remember thinking that was the coolest thing, so I got it. That was the last time I used mascara primer.
I really like it. Like, I think it makes a huge difference.
Wait, I wanna try.
Sharing is caring, baby. My two favorite mascaras are Superfan and then Marc Jacobs. They're the best in my opinion, and I've tried all mascaras, so take my word for it.
I like Marc Jacobs. I've had that once.
One time I had it. Okay.
This is cool. I haven't done anything like this in a long time. Also, it makes me wanna just kinda like go with white lashes.
What?
You know?
Let me
like
see.
that's fun. That's different.
It is different.
Like a winter look.
Like a winter wonderland on your face.
Like the Queen of Narnia.
Exactly. This is an Anastasia brow pencil and like brush, and then this is Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown.
How do you say it?
Anastasia.
Oh.
Anastasia.
I always say
Anastasia.
Anastasia.
Yeah, it is Anastasia.
Can I borrow your mascara?
Yes. And I only know it's said that way because Benny Drama does this Anastasia Beverly Hills.
Yeah.
I had my eyebrows microbladed like a year and a half ago. I need to get them touched up. So I kind of just use this to like make it more of a shape.
Right. Oh, this primer I think did work. I got it done I think last May.
Oh, okay.
I remember because it was margarita night and we were dancing and I was getting so sweaty and I was like, my eyebrows.
Oh yeah. You're like, because you're not allowed to sweat. Like, you can't do like anything for like a good amount.
And I remember being like very aware of them the whole time we were dancing. So I was like running to the bathroom to like dab them.
Oh my God.
Dab them. It was poor planning on my part. They have faded a lot, but I am still happy with them. I think overall, especially without makeup, like I think they still look really great.
Yeah.
If you had to stick with one article, like not article, one makeup.
One thing of makeup,
what would it be? Did I say that wrong?
No, I understand what you're saying. Mascara.
I think mine would be mascara too. It changes everything. I don't think I look good with anything else by itself.
Right, if I just had on foundation, it's like
weird.
Wait.
Mascara running red lipstick smudge.
Oh, and then this is Milk Kush Fiber Brow. Kush Fiber Brow in Dutch. Go over what I just did just to kind of like set my eyebrows in place.
I did my eyebrows with the Hourglass and then I've been talking about them a lot lately, but I'm a big Glossier fan. I usually go over and I do like little strokes with their brow pen. I think it adds a lot.
Let me see.
Brow flick.
Oh yeah.
I did mess up and I got this in the color brown. Should have been blonde.
Well, that's okay.
But you know, I can still work with it.
Oh, lipstick. I'm like, what am I missing? I have so many lipsticks, you guys. It's a lot. I honestly love the Kylie Lip Kit ones.
She nailed it.
She nailed it. Everyone says it's like made out of like shitty quality, but like whatever shitty quality is works on my lips and this does not come off and it doesn't crack.
Cracking is my problem.
Cracks and gets dries and this one like stays. So I love this. This is shade Exposed. I like to be exposed.
It takes so much focus. For a while, like especially in high school and college, it was amazing how good I got at doing makeup in the car. So good. And then now I'm like, how in the world did I do that? There's the question like, was it really good?
Yeah. Was it that good though? And then now we're just gonna dry shampoo the shit out of my hair. Here we go.
I always put on the Marc Jacobs lip balm before putting anything else on my lips.
Oh damn it, I should have done that.
Whatever, yours look fine.
Can't want them all.
Then you or was it Lexi, got me hooked on the Buxom.
So good.
This is the Hot Toddy color.
Oh, hot freaking toddy. I don't even know why my hair is curly. I think I curled it like 2 days ago, but it's so dirty.
But that's what dry shampoo's for.
Exactly. I switch up my dry shampoos often, but I really like the Dry Bar one. And then they came out with the new scent, the coconut colada. Well, that's...
Oh, it smells good.
Yeah, it smells like
smells
coconut
good.
colada.
I usually do What was that? Dry Bar or Living Proof. And
yeah, I love those. Are my two favorite also.
Yeah. And then low-key Dove.
Really?
Dove has a dry shampoo that I think is really
purple.
great. Yeah, okay, so you said you were like thinking about doing your hair purple and I was like, I think it kind of is.
Oopsie.
I think I got dry shampoo in my mouth.
Sorry. Yeah, I sprayed that shit everywhere. Boom. Wait. Yeah.
We're done. Yeah.
We're booty-fied. Don't you want to get ready with us every day?
I know. It was a good time. It was a good time. Guys, watch Haley. Here's her stuff. I know. They loved last time you were on.
It's hard doing makeup and like talking because you're like really trying to focus.
Well, I mean, last time we drove and ate.
That's true. Maybe we should do that again.
We could totally do that again.
Let's do that again.
That was fun.
Hey, there's an idea.
Carpool karaoke.
Yeah.
Monetization though.
Oh yeah. How does James Corden get to do it then?
He can afford it.
James, I understand.
I cannot.
We're good. We're Gucci flip-flops on that.
Friends.
Emily Vaughn, we're just gonna carpool karaoke all of your music. How about that?
Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to her, subscribe to me, like this video, and I will see you guys in the next video, which will be coming soon. And maybe we'll do another food one.
Yeah, I'm gonna have you back on Landed Late Night and we're gonna do
weird dairy pills.
My God, we'll do like a crazy adventure thing.
Yeah.
That'll be a good time.
Challenge me, get me out of my comfort zone.
Oh, that's easy. Here we go.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. We love y'all, bye.